Hello, and thanks for joining me again. Today we have a very, very interesting car. We have a 1990 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. This car is just in immaculate condition. The color is probably one of the most sought after color combinations and options. It is a 1990 Brougham d'Elegance with the 5.7 liter, Sable Black, with a red pinstripe, with red leather interior. The car is in impeccable shape. This is a beautiful car. I doubt there's ever going to be another one like it, and it is very, very loaded. I think this car is pretty much everybody's dream car equipped in this color combination. I know I've never seen another one, and especially certainly not with the moonroof, the real factory wire wheels, and just about every other factory option that you can get. There is a factory moonroof, as you can see. The opera lamps do work. Window sticker is there as well. All the emblems are intact and in excellent condition. And of course we have the real wire wheels. This car has traveled 43,000 miles and it has been babied, and it sure shows. I get compliments wherever I go with this car. I don't use it too often, but I do go to the odd show with it, and it certainly turns heads, as I mentioned. There's the all red leather interior, and of course the factory sunroof. To say this car is striking is an understatement. The headliner's like brand new as well. All the leather's like new. Pedals, interior. I apologize about the door chimes. Let me take the keys out. Just everything is in immaculate shape. I also have the original window sticker as well, and all the books and records, as you can see. Everything works on it like it should, and the car runs flawless. It is very, very, very impeccable. Anyway, just another car in my collection. If anyone out there likes to chat about Broughams or Cadillacs in general, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I always like talking with fellow Cadillac enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.